Go home happy with the 2018 INFINITI QX60. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a moment to view this family-friendly INFINITI QX60, the premium 3-row luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, safety, and performance so you can make the most of your time on the road. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, blind spot monitor, third row seat, heated front seat. Don't hold back. Get the luxury you've always wanted in this QX60. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.